felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrongs I repeated, though I was to blame, I still could stand rain. I didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue, and then out of the blue, God gave me